Hello, welcome to Finance 101. On today's video, just a quick update, letting everyone knows that Wealthsimple has finally listed Shiba. As you can see right here, as I highlighted, it says that Shiba is temporarily unavailable to buy due to, I guess, they're having technical issues. So if you want to buy some, you can just go straight to Wealthsimple. And if you go to crypto session, it should be right there. And you should be able to buy it. But for now, you just put a hold on it for some problems they're having on their side. So apart from that, it's on here now. You can actually buy it from here. And if you can see my crypto account right here, the only thing I have here right now is Dogecoin. And I think I only put in about $55 something. As you can see here down here, I'm just up $3. And it's because I don't buy that many cryptos up here is that I have it in Binance or NDAX. So that's the only reason why I only have this one here. But just to highlight that they finally put Shiba over here so you can buy it here too. And like I always say, since Binance is gonna shut down soon, if they do, I'm not sure if they're going to or not, but they already said they're going to before. But if they change their mind, then it's great because they have a lot of tokens on there that you can buy and sell on there and make some quick money. But for now, if you can buy it here on the NDAX tools, then you might as well buy it. So just in case they close down Binance, you at least you're still holding on to some Shiba just in case it do go to the 1 cent or the 5 cents that everyone is talking about. You'd be set to get some good gains. So this is just a video, quick update saying that Wealthsimple now has Shiba. If you want to buy it, no problem. They also got other coins here, tokens here that you can buy. So if you come down here, that's everything they own over here. So right now I only own Cardano, Shiba, and I own a little bit of Dogecoin and a couple other ones. But for now, this is all they have now. They just keep adding on to it. Hopefully, they keep adding all the good stuff over here so you can buy anything you want. But I don't know how long that's gonna take because if you look at it, then the Binance is way ahead of everything else because they are way ahead of having almost every token on the market. If you go to CoinMarketCap to see what the new tokens they are launching, it's a good chance you're gonna find in Binance or Trust Wallet. But for now, I guess the Canadians are catching up. So well, they're not really catching up because it's like maybe about 20 tokens here when you compare to the thousands they have on Binance. That's why I like trading on Binance. But if they're gonna put some over here, it's Canadian. It's more safer to have your money on this side than that side, just in case they close it down. So that's just an update saying that Wealthsimple has Shiba now. So bye for now. Don't forget to subscribe, share the video. And as always, if you have any questions, leave in the comment section and I'll do my best to respond to it as soon as possible. Bye for now. Peace.